Okay, we made it to Zion. This has been top on my list for a few years now. It's ridiculous. We are just kind of cruising. We're gonna go find a parking spot, and then we won the hiking lottery. So we get to do Angel's Landing today. We'll do that later in the day, sometime after 12. So we'll take you guys along and show you all Zion National Park. So we just got off the shuttle. We're at stop number 5. This is the lodge, and then the Emerald Pools. So we're gonna go do the Emerald Pools, easy hike, until we're ready to go do Angel's Landing. So we just did the Emerald Pools, just the lower portion, 0.6 of a mile. I feel like it was 0.6 one way. I forgot to turn my watch on. Super easy. It was really cool. Definitely is a little oasis out here in the desert. Hey, so we're at the start of Angel's Landing Trail. This is the West Rim Trail, and then you take it up to Angel's Landing, which is the sketchy part with about a mile of the chains and stuff. So we'll go check it out. Let's get started.
Let's go.
So we're about 0.4 of a mile in. So far it's been paved the whole time. Pretty easy so far. Really cool views. So this is a view, and you can see, probably not on the GoPro, but way over here, there's people hiking. We gotta go all the way around to make it over there, and then out on the landing. More and more switchbacks. So some really nice life-saving shade in the desert. We are 1.28 and we've been straight uphill the whole time. Making our way. start of Angel's Landing. There's another like half a mile part till you get to the super sketch part. We're at the top up here where it forks and you do the rest of the West Rim or Angel's Landing. There is somebody checking to make sure that you have your permit before you go out there. There are bathrooms up here, which is super nice. The views are incredible.
I've been there shooting. It's amazing. We just love national parks. You and me.
We drove up to the sheepford and then we visited all the trails there.
How far is it?
Start at Angel's Landing. So not sure if that was all of the first part of the chain section. It was pretty sketch.
No, we hadn't even started yet.
So we haven't even started the sketchy part yet. So we're going up this little part with no chain. Easy. But the views are definitely worth it. Okay guys, the sketchy part is right behind us. Right there. We will see how we feel when we go. I'm planning on doing it, but we'll see. Let's just see how sketchy and how windy it is when we get over there. We are slowly but surely making it. We have the last little stretch to go.
Almost to the top.
Almost there. Excuse the language, but holy shit, we made it.
Almost.
Almost.
Here's the end up here. We're getting close.
Oh, 2 miles. This thing does go climbing.
We made it.
Totally worth the hike.
And look at this little guy. He's up here too.
Oh my goodness.
Don't fall off.
little point ridge over there. It's literally insane. Y'all,
So this is where we went.
we were way up there, and it is a sheer drop off. Can't believe we made it.
But worth it.
Yeah. Totally worth it. So we're headed back down. We're probably halfway back down now at least.
Yeah, probably.
This was on my bucket list, y'all. Totally worth it. Y'all, this part after the little restroom area, the first part I think is the most sketchy. There's a huge drop off down there. If you make it past this, you got the whole rest, dude. Just go for it. Sketchiest part.
Yeah, one step away from.
maybe another mile of the trail left. This has been on my bucket list for a long time. So glad we did it. We conquered Angel's Landing. Y'all come check it out. It was insane.